For those of you who are parents and have children who are far away from God, man, this gives me hope that we should never give up on our children.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Tito, and I'm back at you with another video. Today, I'm gonna go over quickly. I know I've done maybe one. Let's say I did another EDC video maybe a year ago. That was my summer EDC. Now I know we're getting towards the end of summer, but I do live in Florida, so it's hot up until dang near December, honestly. We haven't had a cold front yet. I know my guys up north are getting one. Y'all must be chilling now, huh? But anyways, let's get into it. So for summer EDC, I'm normally wearing gym shorts, cargo shorts. I don't mess with jeans. I don't mess with any ops pants, tactical pants, 511 pants, whatever you want to call them. I'm not wearing them. It's summertime. Unless my wife makes me wear jeans or something long, or I'm going to church, I'm not putting on long pants. So to get into it real quick, unlike last year, I am carrying, instead of the inner of my battle belt, I am carrying leisure carry. And I'm also using a TLR1 universal holster from Roundup holsters, shout out to them as well. And basically what I got for you guys is the MP carry comp. You already know. So why the carry comp? It's a good thumbnail. So let's go ahead and clear old baby. Almost caught it. Alright, so we are now clear. Like I said, we got the Harbor Freight TLR1, works perfectly fine. Calculated kinetics.
Well, duh.
Dog tag plate on it for the RMR. I am running 507C. I'm hoping to eventually put a lead and steel PB3 on that, on this one as well, but I absolutely love it on my 2011 build. We do have the Floyd's Magwell, and then right now I'm carrying out of the OEM 17 round mags, because the 15 round mags I have do not have the +4, +5 that they offer. I do have to order one of those. It slips my mind every time I'm thinking about it. I have one +4, +5 base plate, but I don't carry with that one. So this is just what I'm using for summer at the moment. Like I said, it's the carry comp, and I'm an MP fanboy. I don't care what you say. A lot could never. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Man. Here. ¿Y dónde más? Creo que se me fue una. Oh, no, mira aquí. ¿Sí o no? ¿Tiene mark?
No, pues esta.
Ay. Right, yeah.
Esa.
Yo dije, yep.
Stand by.
Oh, fallé. Man. 1031. ¡Ay! Está aquí. Está bien.
948.
Oh. I gotta get used to how I'm presenting. This dot is up every time. I gotta get used to how she presents. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Check me out on the YouTube, on the socials, anything like that. Getting ready to do a video on what is now my gun corner. Getting that stuff situated, benches, safe, ammo / gear cabinet. All that's gonna be coming up probably in the next video, honestly, but it'll be coming out soon. Also, After Death Industries, check these guys out. Faith-based apparel, standing on business. Christ is King. God bless you guys. Stay tuned.